Hello travellers, so today I wanted to do a quick review of the Forclaz Toiletry Bag. I picked this up at Decathlon for $12 Australian, which is about $8.50 US or 8 Great British pounds. This is a pretty good price for such a neat and lightweight organizer for toiletries or electronics. When I first bought it, I intended to use it as an electronics or cable organizer. However, I decided to try it as a toiletry bag and see how it felt. The construction feels really good and I love the blue nylon material. It's a lovely iridescent blue color that's kind of a bluey green. It has two smaller mesh pockets at the top and one larger mesh pocket at the bottom, and a roll closure with adjustable strap. It's advertised as a toiletry bag, but the funny thing is, I had trouble fitting my toothbrush into it. It's just slightly too narrow. A standard toothbrush will fit into the bottom pocket on an angle, but you have to kind of stretch the elastic mesh to fit it in snugly. Personally, I prefer a toiletry bag that stands up on its own, like the Sea to Summit Sea pouch that I've been using for years. However, I know some people like a hanging toiletry bag, but I haven't really tried one until now. The Forclaz bag doesn't have a built-in hook. It just has a buckle that can be buckled around towel racks or other areas in the bathroom if you want to hang it. I found that I could get more versatile hanging areas by using this hero clip like this to hang it on the edges of sinks or on ledges. Even after my testing, I think I still personally prefer a self-standing toiletry bag. So after testing it as a toiletry bag, I decided to load all my electronics and cables into it and see how it would fare as an electronics organizer. I actually preferred this method of use for the bag the most. The small dongles and cables can be separated from the larger electronics and the charging bricks in the bag. It is still able to roll up and clip shut even when fully packed with all the electronics inside. The three organizational pockets help keep things in place while you're fishing for a cable, whereas a single pouch full of electronics, things tend to slip out, like when I use my IKEA packing cube here, as you can see. Overall, a great little organizational bag that you can use for toiletries or electronics or cables, and I would highly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a super lightweight and nice looking organizational bag. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what's your favorite toiletry bag, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.